Hello dear children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, in the last video we have started a new chapter, keeping safe and healthy. And in this chapter we have learned about the following the simple safety rule which we have to follow on the roads to prevent any kind of accidents. And we have also learned about some things by which we can prevent accident at home as well as in the school. In this series, first one was the use of sharp object, which we have already learned in the last video. And the next one is falling down. Falling is another major reasons of getting hurt at home and school. We can fall down while playing, jumping or running. We should not jump off of a moving swing or the ride. Do not stand near a swing. Do not play or run up and down on the stairs. Spilling of the slippery liquids like soap, water and oil must be avoided. It should be immediately wiped off the floor if that happens. There are also several reasons for falling down. Do not walk on the wet floors or stairs. The floors of the bathroom and kitchen should always be kept dry. Never leave soap bar on the bathroom floor. Someone may unknowingly step on it and fall down. Never leave toys, shoes and other things on the floor. Someone may trip on them and get hurt. So, we have to follow some rules by which we can prevent accident by falling by falling down or by using sharp object. The next in this series is electric shocks. Electricity is useful to us, but carelessness can make it very dangerous. Electrical appliances like TV, refrigerator, cooler, toaster, iron, geyser, etc. can give electrical shock if not used or maintained properly. Electrical shock can be fatal for life, and following measures must be taken to prevent electric shocks. So, these are the following and simple handy tips why we can prevent any kind of electric shock. First of all, never touch any electrical switch or wire with the wet hands or when standing barefoot on the wet floor. Always use ISI marked electrical appliances. That means the qualities of the electrical appliances is very important, which should be marked with the help of ISI. Children must keep away from the electrical appliances. Always use any kind of electrical appliances with the guidance of your elder one. In case of an electrical shock, immediately switch off the main supply and help the victim. Never use water to put out the fire caused by the short circuit. That means if any kind of fire caused due to the short circuit, it should always be firefight with the help of sand. That means don't use water in the fire caused due to the short circuit. Understand? The next one is burns and boils. Burns on the skin can be caused by fire, steam or some boiling liquids. Burns are common while working in the kitchen, but serious burns can be avoided by following these safety rules. There are some safety rules by which we can prevent burns at the severe level. First of all, do not light matchsticks for the fun. Do not wear synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen. They catch fire easily. That means don't wear such kind of clothes which can easily get fire. Never touch or hold any hot utensils without a pair of tongs or a thick cloth. Always turn off the knob of gas cylinder and the gas stove when not in use. In case of any kind of gas leak, close the cylinder knob and immediately open all the windows and doors. This will let the gas out. So these are the simple rules by which we can prevent severe burns. There are several chemicals which we used in our home for different purposes. We use a variety of chemicals at home for the various purposes. So take the help of your mother and find out the different kind of chemicals which you are using at your home for different purposes. This is an activity which you need to done at home. pesticides, that means a chemical which is used to kill the pest. Detergents, which most commonly we are using for our clothes. Certain sprays, paints, etc. Some commonly used chemicals at home. If swallowed, these can cause poisoning. Medicine should also be kept away from the reach of the children because it can cause any kind of harm to the small children. Do not take any medicine on your own and take medical help whenever it is required. It means it is not good to take any kind of medicine by your own. If you have any kind of pain, any kind of sickness, first go to the doctor and ask the doctor and use always the medicine prescribed by doctor. If you accidentally swallow some poisonous substances, please go and immediately see a doctor. Understand? So these are the simple things which can cause a severe damage to you and your loved ones. For example, sharp object, falling down, burns and electric shocks. So you can prevent these things by following simple safety rules. I hope you understand this topic. So we are going to discuss the next thing or the next topic, which is first aid, in the next video. Till then, please take a revision of the things which you have studied in this video. Okay? Thank you.